Hello everyone, back again on this channel. The drawback of this HB ZP1005 on the steering axle, I have replaced it, the spare parts, because maybe most of the front axles tend to get damaged quickly because of too frequent use. The cause is because the material is plastic on the axle, front tire wheels. But this time I replaced the steering servo on the HB ZP1005 car because the stock servo was starting to weaken and become unresponsive when turning the wheels. After opening the car body, I removed the steering link connected to the servo and then unscrewed the bolts securing the servo to the chassis. Before purchasing a replacement servo, I checked the type of servo used. The HB ZP1005 comes in several versions, including a 5-wire version with a 9mm connector width, a 5-wire version with an 11mm connector width, and a 3-wire version. These three are not compatible, so they must be matched to the unit you have. Huangbo Toys +1. After removing the old servo, I installed the new one with the servo horn aligned with the steering trim centered. Then, the steering link was reinstalled and all bolts were tightened. After testing, the steering became more precise and the turning power felt stronger. To increase durability, I also installed a metal servo arm because it is stronger than a plastic one and can withstand rough terrain. Huangbo Toys +1. As a result, the HB ZP1005 is more responsive when maneuvering, especially when navigating inclines or rocky paths that require greater steering force. This is not finished yet, it still needs other spare parts, and it takes time to fix it. It turns out this car needs a lot of changes so that it can run well. Maybe later I have to look for other things first to make this car run strong and well. Thank you very much friends for coming and supporting. I don't want to forget the kindness of all. Greetings from one remote, greetings from one hobby.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold.